Good morning, children. This class we are going to see about buffer capacity, buffer index, and Henderson equation. Write a note on buffer capacity and buffer index. Buffering ability can be measured with the help of buffer capacity. What is buffering ability? If the solution has the ability to act as a buffer solution, that is buffering ability. Buffering ability can be measured with the help of buffer capacity. Buffer capacity can be measured with the help of buffer index. The symbol for buffer index is beta. Buffering ability of a solution can be measured in terms of buffer capacity. Wanslyk introduced a quantity called buffer index. Who introduced buffer index? Wanslyk introduced a quantity called buffer index. Buffer index is used as a quantitative measure of the buffer capacity. In counting, it is expressed in counting numbers. Buffer capacity is defined as the number of gram equivalents of acid or base added to 1 liter of the buffer to change its pH by 1 unity. That is said to be what? Buffer capacity. The formula for buffer index is beta is equal to dB divided by T of pH. The beta means the symbol of buffer index, where dB is equal to number of gram equivalents of acid or base added to 1 liter of buffer solution. Then D of pH is equal to the change in the pH after the addition of acid and base. Derive Henderson-Hasselbalch equation. This is very important 5-mark question. Now we consider the dissociation of weak acid. HA is considered as a weak acid. It dissociates to produce H plus and also A minus. How can you calculate the K value? K equal to product concentration divided by reactant concentration. Then H plus concentration is equal to, it will undergo cross multiplication. A minus comes this side as denominator, HA comes this side as numerator. H plus concentration is equal to Ka into HA concentration divided by A minus concentration. Here HA concentration, that is equal to equilibrium concentration of acid, so that the concentration of HA is replaced by equilibrium concentration of acid. A minus concentration is equal to equilibrium concentration of base, so that A minus concentration is replaced by equilibrium concentration of base. H plus concentration is similar to H3O plus concentration, so that it is replaced by this one. So equation 2 becomes equation number 3. The explanation of equation number 3 is the concentration of hydronium ion, that is H3O plus ion, is an acidic buffer solution, depends upon H3O plus concentration. H3O plus ion concentration depends upon the ratio of the concentration of the weak acid and to the concentration of its conjugate base present in the solution. H3O plus concentration depends upon the ratio of equilibrium concentration of acid to the conjugate base, equilibrium concentration of conjugate base. Weak acid is added with the salt. HA is a weak acid, is added with the salt A, which provides common ion. Ha is a weak acid, it dissociates to form H plus ion and A minus ion. Then added with the salt NaA. This is also dissociate to form Na plus and A minus. So the A minus ion is a common ion. After the production of common ion, it will suppress the dissociation of acid. As a result, its dissociation of weak acid is further depressed. Concentration, equilibrium concentration of acid, that is equal to concentration of the acid, initial concentration of acid. Equilibrium concentration of base, that is equal to initial concentration of the salt. So that the equation 3 becomes Ka into initial concentration of the acid divided by initial concentration of salt, that is equal to H3O plus concentration. H3O plus concentration is equal to Ka, acid concentration divided by salt concentration. Initial concentration of the acid divided by initial concentration of the salt. Taking log on both sides. Log of H3O plus concentration is equal to log of Ka plus log of acid concentration divided by salt concentration. Reverse the sign on both sides. Positive become negative, positive become negative, positive become negative. We know that pH equal to minus log of H3O plus concentration. pKa equal to minus log of Ka. So this is equation number 7. This is equation number 4. This is equation number 5. This is equation number 6. So equation number 7 apply in equation number 6. So minus log of H3O plus concentration is replaced by pH. This is replaced by pH. Minus log of K, minus log of K is replaced by pKa. Minus log acid concentration divided by salt concentration. The minus become plus, that means the reverse. Salt concentration divided by acid concentration. pH is equal to pKa plus log of salt divided by acid. This is a Henderson equation for acidic buffer. Suppose if you take basic buffer, the formula becomes pH for basic buffer, that is pOH. pKa for acid, here pKb, plus log of concentration of salt, here also salt. For acidic buffer, acid. For basic buffer, base. So pOH equal to pKb plus log of concentration of salt by concentration of base. This is a Henderson equation for basic buffer. Find the pH of the buffer solution containing 0.20 mole per liter sodium acetate and 0.18 mole per liter acetic acid. Ka for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. The given data is K value for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Then concentration of sodium acetate is 0.20 mole per liter. This is a salt. Concentration of acid is acetic acid 0.18 mole per liter. Calculate pH. Salt concentration given, acid concentration is given, K dissociation constant is also given. Calculate the pH. The pH formula is according to Henderson equation, pH equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt divided by concentration of acid. pKa equal to minus log of Ka. First you have to calculate the pKa value. pKa equal to minus log of Ka minus log of, what is the Ka value? 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Minus is taken outside. log is common for both, log 1.8 into means plus log 10 power minus 5. Minus comes inside. This is minus minus. Log 1.8 value is 0.26. Minus 5 comes before the log. Minus into minus plus 5. Log 10 based on 1. 5 minus 0.26, that is equal to 4.74. This is the pKa value. This pKa value is applied in the Henderson equation. pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt divided by acid concentration. pKa is replaced by 4.74 plus log salt concentration, which is salt, sodium acetate is salt, 0.20 divided by acid concentration, which is acetic acid, 0.18. Acid concentration is replaced by 0.18. So cancel. 10 2s are 20, 9 2s are 18, log 10 by 9. So 4.74 log 10 by 9, that means what? Log 10 minus log 9. Log 10 base 10, that is equal to 1. Log 9 value is 0.95. 4.74 plus 1, 5.74. 5.74 minus 0.95, that is equal to 4.79. That is the pH value. What is the pH of an aqueous solution obtained by mixing 6 gram of acetic acid and 8.2 gram of sodium acetate and mixing the volume equal to 500 ml? Given Ka for acetic acid is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Given data is mass of acetic acid is given, that is 6 gram, but not concentration is given. Mass of sodium acetate is given, but not concentration is given. Volume 500 ml. Ka value is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Mass of salt and mass of acid and also volume Ka values are given. Calculate the pH. How to calculate the pH? pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt by concentration of acid. We know that pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. Then concentration, number of moles, N by V, number of moles divided by volume of the solution. First you have to calculate the pKa value, then calculate the concentration of salt and calculate the concentration of acid. All the values are applied in the pH formula to get the pH value. First you have to calculate pKa value. pKa is equal to minus log of Ka. Ka value is 1.8 into 10 power minus 5 minus log of 1.8 into 10 power minus 5. Minus is taken outside, log is common for both. Log 1.8 into means plus log 10 power minus 5. Minus comes inside, minus then minus. So log 1.8 0.26 minus 5 log 10. Minus comes inside, this is minus, minus and minus plus. 5 minus 0.26, that is equal to 4.74. pKa value is 4.74. pKa value is calculated. Then how can you calculate the concentration of salt? Concentration of salt, that is a salt as a sodium acetate. Concentration is equal to N by V, number of moles divided by volume. Number of moles of sodium acetate divided by volume of sodium acetate in 1 liter. Number of moles, mass by molar mass. number of moles of sodium acetate, that is equal to mass of sodium acetate divided by molar mass of sodium acetate. Then concentration of sodium acetate, that is equal to overall formula N by V. V volume of the solution in liter. N means number of moles. Mole means mass by molar mass. Mass of sodium acetate divided by molar mass of sodium acetate. Concentration of the salt can be calculated by this formula N by V. N means mass of sodium acetate divided by molar mass of sodium acetate divided by volume. Mass of sodium acetate 8.2 is already given in the sum. Molar mass of sodium acetate is 82. 8 divided by 82 divided by volume of solution in liter 500 ml, that is 1 by 2 is also given in the sum. 8.2 divided by 82 reverse 2 by 1. So this is 0.182, that is equal to 0.2 molar. The concentration of sodium acetate is 0.2 molar. Concentration of acetic acid can also be calculated by the same procedure. N by V. N means number of moles. Number of moles, mass by molar mass. Mass of acetic acid divided by molar mass of acetic acid. V means volume. Volume of solution in liter. Mass of acetic acid 6 is already given the sum. Divided by molar mass of acetic acid. Molar mass of acetic acid 60 divided by 60 divided by volume of solution 500 ml. So divided by 1 by 2. 500 ml is already given the sum. 6 by 60, 1 by 2 reverse, 2 by 1. Then after substituting this value, we get 0.2 molar. That is the concentration of acetic acid. Concentration of acetic acid is 0.2. Concentration of sodium acetate is 0.2. pKa value is 4.7. All the values are applied in the Henderson equation. Henderson equation, pH is equal to pKa plus log of concentration of salt by concentration of acid. What is the pKa value? pKa value is 4.774 is already calculated. Log of concentration of salt is 0.2. Sodium acetate is a salt. Then concentration of acid is acetic acid. Acetic acid is equal to 0.2. 0.2 cancel, it is 1. Log 1 value is 0. The remaining is 4.74. So the pH value is equal to 4.74.